All right. You are with Mr. Metu Innocent once again, one of the Crenco Cash economic developer globally. Um, Still on the restoration plan, the restoration movement. This world has aged. This world has overdue. The mess in this world, the issues and problems in this world has overdue. It is time to restore it. It is time to bring restoration. It is time to bring freedom. It is time to set out a plan, a structure that what we are suffering today, our children will not suffer it. It is time to set up a plan for the next generation. Right now, as I'm talking to you, there is global restructuring all over. There is restructuring plan. We want to restructure this world to a better world. A world where people will be free from scarcity. And if you have ever seen this world as a scam, as an evil world, a world that the elites plan and set up against the masses, you should join us. Join us in this plan. We are not happy. I'm not happy at all on what is going on. Right now, Life Force is asking us to gather. Crenco Cash is asking us to gather. Right now, new currency is out. Right now, the people's currency is out. Global currency is out. Right now, health assurance card is coming up globally. Everybody is going to have it. You can go to hospital freely and you'll be treated freely. There is money. There is money in the global reset. But the elites, the elite government, the Illuminati government, they stop the flow of the money so that they will continue, being in control of the people. So that whatever they ask us, we do. But right now, all these things has been revealed. So we need to gather. Assemble yourself, gather, pick up the health assurance card, and also register for this thing, project funding. We are asked to register for this thing, project funding in Life Force, so that up to $10 million will be given for projects. So let's do it now. To register, call on me, chat me on 070 860 640 52. 070 860